everyone, this is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma from Soul to Soul Talk with Ishneet, and today we are going to discuss something very important. What can it be? Why is it so important? Do you know what people are talking about you? People are trolling you. Yes, this is happening these days. So today we are going to discuss that what happens when people talk about us on our backs. We call it backbiting, we also call it bitching, we also call it gossip. What happens when you get to know that what people are gossiping about you? You certainly feel bad. It is a very low feeling. For example, today when I came to my office, somebody told me that why should you be charging for anything, since you have so many real good friends, why should you charge them for the services that you are giving? What I realized was that it really hurt me. Why it hurt me? Why does this happen that somebody on your back speaks something about you, against you, and you actually feel bad about it? It is because you start looking at yourself from their perspective. It is that their opinion matters to you. What if their opinion does not matter to you? What if you know that you are really good and their opinion is their opinion, it is their right and it is their prerogative to look at. You don't need to feel bothered about what people have to say about you. People did not even forgive Ramaji and Sita ji. They had to point fingers at Sita also. So these things should not bother you. And how you can come out of it? I'll tell you how. Imagine that a dog has bitten you. Dog has bitten you badly. Will you go back and you will try and bite the dog? Will you do that? You will not be doing that. Why you will not be doing? Because you know that it is dog's nature to bite. What you are going to do? You are going to get the treatment done, and next time you are going to be aware of where dogs are. You are going to stay away and you are going to maintain that distance. Similarly, in relationships also, in your life also, what people say about you should not bother you. If somebody has said something wrong about you, you don't have to go back and ask them the same or confront them. You have to just ignore them and keep moving in life. Why it matters to us that what others say about us is only because we start looking at ourselves from their perspective. We see that if the person has told me idiot, we keep asking ourselves, am I an idiot? Do I look like an idiot? Does he think that I am an idiot? Does she think that I do everything that is idiotic? No. You have to think that it is, you can put a full stop at it. You can say that it is their opinion, it is their perspective, it is their way of looking at it. I know that I am not an idiot and I am not bothered about what they think about myself. And in case it is a positive feedback, in case you think that you have done something idiotic and probably they are trying to point out at a right thing, then try and correct yourself. It is that simple. Whatever the other person's opinion is, either accept it and try to work on it, or ignore it completely and know for your full self that you are a wonderful being. It will stop bothering you. This is a muscle that you will develop over time. Once it will stop bothering you that what others think about you or what others say about you, you will be sorted. You will be really happy in your life. So do that. Next time your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, anybody, your friend or your relative says something at your back which is not so pleasing, kindly avoid looking at it. It is just their opinion. And do they have so much of capacity that their opinion should bother you? Ask yourself this question. You are going to be out of that situation in a moment. Believe me, it does not matter what others think about you when you are confident about yourself, when you know who you are, when you know where you are placed. And for me, the biggest thing in this is, whom do I belong to? I belong to that all supreme God, and when I know that I belong to Him, nothing matters at all. So similarly, I would suggest you also, just remember whom do you belong, where do you come from, and if you are placed in the seat of your soul, you will always be happy. God bless you. This is Ishneet Sharma signing off. In case you have any query or comment, please post in the comment box. I'll try and answer. Take care, have a wonderful day, and don't bother what others say about you. God bless you.